Hey YouTube, we're looking at the underside of my 2012 Ram 2500 equipped with the 6.7 liter Cummins. There's this plug I wanted to point out to you guys. I've been doing a lot of research and read that this guy right here, it's connects the engine wiring to the main body of the chassis. There's been reports that the wires tend to shake themselves to death because from factory they didn't mount these on too well. This one's been fixed before this plug was able. The amount of play left to right was unreal, definitely more than what I would like. So did the zip tie method here. You can see I have this main one going to body mount and two smaller zip ties right here and down here right here. As you can see, it's pretty stout now. It's much more comfortable like this. And when I was down in here, I noticed the plug in the back. I'll try to get my light. You can see that red wire, black wire. It's not black, but it's a red wire, brown wire. That connector, I'm not sure exactly what that's to, but that was loose as well. So I took care of that. And it looks like for the control arm, the bolt there, make sure that green cap is on there. In the event that, the wire does tend to move, you don't want that to be grabbing against that and breaking it apart. So just something to take a look for before you're buying or, into ownership of the Ram truck. I'm not sure exactly which years this applies to. Again, this is a 2012 Ram 2500 with the 6.7 liter Cummins.